Sir, your name?
Rajshekar Naidugari. Naidugari surname.
Where are you from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district, from Srimukalingam, pilgrim place.
What is your main demand? Why you are here in Jantar Mantar actually?
From 20 years, Srimukalingam is a holy village located on the lap of Vamsadhara river. But village have, by obeying, therefore, wait, sleepy village, yeah. It is a sleepy village. From 20 years, every development fund also pending. Fund coming and going also. Development fund. State government grants are sent. They are submitting but not coming. Every time pending. Lack of devotees will coming and going also. But there is no infrastructure facilities for devotees, not for me, for devotees. It is an international pilgrim place like Lingaraj temple in Bhubaneswar.
So what are your main demand? You have any?
Already from 5 years I am coming often New Delhi. I gave representations to PMO 2-3 times, and Tourism Minister Kishan Reddy also I did give. Tourism Minister Kishan Reddy.
You came every year in Delhi Jantar Mantar?
No.
Nobody listening.
Every year. This is first time Jantar Mantar strike.
Achha, this is first time Jantar Mantar strike, but in previous year you came every year in Delhi.
Every year, 5 years. From 5 years. From 5 years. From 2019 to often I am coming.
What's our main demand actually? You are main priest of this temple, na?
Yeah.
What are your main demands actually?
The main demands. Now we request to highest authorities and noble citizens of India fulfill our demands in royal and peaceful way by taking your kind permission. We are sitting for hunger strike here to fulfill the following these demands.
What are the demand actually? Tell me the demand.
I am telling. For devotees, sanitation and drainage system.
Okay.
Next, second thing, pilgrimage health center for devotees. Third one, cottages, pilgrim cottages. Fourth one, cleanest of the temple. It is under Archaeological Survey of India. This temple under central government. Belonging Archaeological Survey of India.
It is heritage site also or not?
Heritage site, we are fighting for heritage site. We wanted also UNESCO sites list also. Already we represented Survey of India Director General. But he said to me, first primary report we will submit to the UNESCO. Mr. Director General said to me before 3-4 days, I think. But these are demands. Pilgrim cottages, Pakka roads, sanitation problem, cleanliness of the temple and premises also. That is main demand.
The main god of this temple, who is the main god of this temple?
Sri Mukalingeshwara, Shiva.
Sri Mukalingeshwara, Shiva.
Shiva is with face. Shiva is with lingam. It means Sri Mukalingeshwara. Mukam means chehra. Face. Lingam has a face. In all over world, lingam has no face. All over world, only one temple, lingam has face. Lingam with face, only one temple. That is Mukalingeshwara. Lingam with face is equal to Telugu mein, in Telugu, Mukalingeshwara. Okay. What is any another?
What any another?
You can ask.
Okay.
Any doubts?
Okay, sir. Any important feature of this temple you want to tell about?
Yeah, I will tell. I wrote some article. I will tell. One minute, 1 minute. Yeah, I'll ready to tell. Yeah. Monuments of Sri Mokulingam deserve World Heritage status. Some architectural masterpieces created by the rulers of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. Then capital is Kalinga kingdom. Sri Mokulingam need to be given World Heritage status also. Why? Because Madhukeswara, Bhimeswara, Someswara temple built during the 18th CAD in Kalinga at cultural style on the banks of Vamsadhara river. Through having the request outstanding universal value RU yet to be accredited by the UNESCO under the World Heritage Site. They have no less integrated workmanship compared to the UNESCO recognized Pattakkal structures. Pattakkal in North Karnataka. Okay.
You have any final message to the government or any Ministry of Art and Culture?
Final message.
Final message to Ministry of Art and Culture or government?
We need as soon as infrastructure facility in Sri Mokulingam. That is the main demand. It is from 20 years we are struggling. Devotees are suffering also.
Nobody is listening. Nobody is listening to you, na? You are suffering from 20 years, but nobody is listening to you, na?
Nobody is listening to. Say even Central Tourism Minister also not observing, not listening also. State Chief Ministers also. Two governments, state governments also. It's a turmoil problem.
Thank you.